Humans naturally perceive time as a straight line, past, present, and future. But why is this the case? Is it simply how our brains work, or does culture and biology play a role? Let's explore why humans think in linear time and what it might mean to think differently. What is linear time? 1. Linear time is the concept of experiencing time as a sequence of events, past leading to present, which leads to the future. 2. Key insight. It's a framework that helps us organize our lives, set goals, and understand causality. 3. Example. We plan our day by thinking of what we need to do first, next, and last. The biological basis of linear time. 1. The role of the brain. 1. The human brain processes events sequentially, making linear time a natural way of interpreting experiences. 2. Hippocampus. This part of the brain helps encode memories chronologically, allowing us to differentiate between past and present. 3. Key insight. Without linear time processing, distinguishing between yesterday, today, and tomorrow would be nearly impossible. 2. Biological clocks. 1. Our perception of time is influenced by circadian rhythms, 24-hour cycles that regulate sleep, hunger, and alertness. 2. Example. We wake up in the morning, feel tired at night, and experience life in predictable patterns. 3. Pro tip. Disruptions to circadian rhythms, like jet lag, can distort our sense of time. The cultural influence on time perception. 1. Western culture and linear time. 1. Western societies emphasize productivity and progress, reinforcing the idea of time as a straight line. 2. Example. The phrase, "time is money," reflects a cultural obsession with efficiency. 3. Key thought. This perspective encourages goal setting but may also contribute to stress and burnout. 2. Alternative time perceptions in other cultures. 1. Some cultures perceive time more cyclically, focusing on recurring patterns rather than a linear trajectory. 2. Example. Indigenous cultures often see time as a circle, emphasizing seasons, cycles, and interconnectedness. 3. Key insight. Different time frameworks can influence how societies prioritize relationships, responsibilities, and rituals. How linear time shapes human thought. 1. Decision-making. 1. Linear time allows us to predict consequences and plan for the future. 2. Example. Saving money for retirement or studying for a test requires projecting into the future. 2. Emotional experience. 1. Regret and nostalgia stem from looking back on the past, while hope and anxiety involve imagining the future. 2. Key insight. Linear time deeply influences our emotional and mental states. 3. Innovation and progress. 1. Thinking linearly encourages humanity to strive for growth and improvement. 2. Example. Scientific discoveries build upon past knowledge to solve present problems and anticipate future needs. The limitations of linear time. 1. Missing the present moment. 1. Focusing too much on the past or future can make it hard to appreciate the present. 2. Pro tip. Practices like mindfulness encourage living in the now. 2. Non-linear time in physics. 1. Einstein's theory of relativity suggests time isn't as linear as it feels. Time can stretch, compress, or overlap. 2. Key question. Could humans learn to think in terms of non-linear time? 3. Spiritual perspectives. 1. Many spiritual philosophies view time as an illusion, emphasizing eternal presence or infinite cycles. 2. Example. Meditative states often transcend the boundaries of linear time. What would non-linear thinking look like? 1. A shift from linear time might mean focusing on patterns, connections, and relationships instead of cause and effect sequences. 2. Example. Instead of planning a career step by step, embracing opportunities as they arise could lead to unexpected growth. 3. Key insight. thinking beyond linear time could open up new ways of understanding ourselves and the universe. Actionable takeaways. 1. Reflect on how linear time influences your daily decisions and emotions. 2. Experiment with mindfulness practices to focus on the present moment. 3. Explore alternative perspectives on time through cultural studies, physics, or philosophy. Linear time is a fundamental part of how we navigate the world, but understanding its origins and limitations can help us expand our thinking. If this topic intrigued you, like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into human perception and consciousness. See you in the next one.